Map. Docks. X1 docking station. I'm just going to call it docks. Okay? Okay? Yeah, good. Right, level 1. This might be called a mod. Bleh. Bleh. The X1 docking facility is the biggest docking But I wonder if I could go through that door up there. Probably not. Let's oh, let's take it out on that door. Bloody hell, the action's starting already. Whoa. Talk about sploot. Hey wait, I just gotta check something. Oh, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. I just had to check that the input was on microphone, otherwise you wouldn't have been able to hear me. Oh. Oh, blimey, now someone's messaging me on MSN. I mean, MSN? Yahoo. No, it's fine. Sorry about that. Oh, I hear an imp gonna come out of there. How did I know that? Because it was obvious, wasn't it? It was. Oh, another one! Oh. Ow. Whoa! Not you already. Ah! Bloody hell. Go away. Oh. Oh. Haha, you missed. That's what you get for missing. Hey, look. What's this? Log in. Oh, he's not going to bother me. Bloody fat. Why can I zoom in anyway? It's not like I've got a special suit on. Oh, the doors have been updated. Oh, right. Okay. 382. That's lovely, that is. I'll have to remember that. Ah! Oh, didn't have to remember it for long. Beep. Imp. No. Pinky instead. Yep. That bloke's dead. That's it. No one teleports in on my turf. Is one going to come here as well? Don't know, but we're about to find out. Aren't we? Oops. Yeah. Go away. Ah, playing all these mods. Gosh, it sure does give me the skills. No, it's not called skills. It's called they take so long to teleport in and roar at you that you have plenty of time to get ready to blast the hell out of them in one shot. Oh look! Oh look! Oh! 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 Trying to trick me, eh? Nope. I'm too skilled to fall for that. Oh! Shut your big ugly mouth. Oh! Fairly simple map so far. Oh look. Oh look, an enemy actually hit me. Oh, oh! Oh damn. He's a fastball. And he's throwing a fastball. Oh, same code. Oh no, now I haven't got time. Yes I have. Don't worry. Oh! That's it, I've had enough of this mosh pit. No I haven't, I've had enough of this pistol. Afraid not. Pile of cabbage. I'm not done looking around here yet. Well, apparently I am. Let's go up some stairs. Whee, that was fun. Go away! Oh, that's the end of level 1. Whoa! Oh, that is the end. Whoa! Whoa! Bye!